How to crop an image in Figma. Select your image first, and you should be able to see the crop option just above it here at the panel above. It's on the right side here, crop image. When you activate that, you will be able to push those boundaries to change the property of the image. We can crop it freely like that by using mouse and pushing those lines. You can also adjust this slightly by putting the mouse outside, and this will give us option for rotation as well. Alright, if you are happy with your results, simply click outside and you got this new cropped version. Keep in mind, in Figma we can easily fill shapes with images. So you can, for example, draw a perfect circle, and then in the fill area here you can add a new fill, or you can modify the existing one. So right now I got this gray color inside, but I want to change this from solid color not to gradient but to the next one, to image, and click choose image. I selected this image from my hard drive, but the dog is not at the center. So what can we do? Change the property from fill to crop, and this will allow you to move the original image within this shape and adjust it exactly as you need. Then click outside and we are done here. So that's how you can easily crop your images. You can use the simple crop option at the top, or you can create a custom shape and put the image inside that shape. You can even use pen tool for some very fancy shapes. So let's try one more. Here's my shape drawn with pen tool. Now I can add a fill to it using image again, and here it is. If you want to make some adjustment, change the fill to crop so you will have more control. I hope this very short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.